Hey guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to be unboxing and reviewing this insulated lunch bag. Alright, so right here we have a nice little lunch bag that has cute little designs in the front. This is an insulated bag that will keep your hot food hot and your cold foods cold. So you can see they have little bears, little moons, little stars on this. This is by Kaome. You have a little zipper here in the front for like your little snacks. You can put your little snacks up in here, your crackers or chips. And then if you unzip the middle part, this is where it's insulated. You do have a divider in here so you can keep your hot and cold separated. It does come with a arm strap, so it makes it easier for you to carry. Here is the separator. Like I said, it'll keep your hots away from your colds. It just velcros right on here. And it does pop up a little bit, so if you have like sandwiches or soups or anything like that, it will hold it nicely. It'll keep it hot and it'll keep your cold items cold. On the side, you have where you could put your water bottle. This is where you will connect your arm straps. It does have a nice gripping at the top. You can tighten this or loosen this however you see fit. Now we're just going to go and put the arm straps on, which just makes it a lot easier to carry, so you don't actually have to have this in your hand while you're going to school with your books in your hand. So we'll just clip this on this side. Alright, we got this side, so now we're going to do on the other side. And there you have your strap, your insulated part. You zip it up. This makes a great bag to carry. Won't be so heavy. You'll have your hands free with the strap. You can put your water bottle in here. Really nice mesh. Very good quality. You can see that it's nice quality. It does keep your hot foods hot and your cold foods cold. And it's got a really cute design and bears and stars and a moon. So if you're looking for a lunch bag that is insulated, that is easy to carry along with you, I would definitely check out this one. This is definitely a nice one. It looks really nice, and this can be used by boys or girls.